Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to delve deep into the wealth-building strategies of the legendary Warren Buffett. With a staggering net worth of over $100 billion, he's undoubtedly one of the world's most successful investors. In this 20-minute exploration, we'll dissect Buffett's key principles and discover how they can pave your path to prosperity. So, let's dive right in. According to Warren Buffett, the most valuable investment you can make is in yourself. He attributes a significant portion of his success to continuous learning. In fact, studies show that individuals with a bachelor's degree earn over $1 million more in their lifetime than those with just a high school diploma. So, it's evident that education pays off. Consider this. For every dollar spent on education, the average American earns about $10 in increased lifetime earnings. So, investing in courses, books, or seminars isn't just an expense, it's an investment in your future. Warren Buffett's frugal lifestyle is legendary. He lives in the same house he bought in the 1950s and drives an old car. This frugality has allowed him to save and invest wisely. Saving money is crucial for wealth building. In fact, the average American saves just around 7% of their income. By adopting Buffett's philosophy of living below your means and saving a significant portion of your income, you can create a substantial financial cushion. And remember, every dollar saved is a dollar that can be invested. Buffett's stock market success is remarkable. Over 60 years of investing have seen him amass tremendous wealth. To put it into perspective, let's consider the power of compound interest. If you invested $1,000 in the stock market 30 years ago and earned an average annual return of 7%, you'd now have over $3,800. The stock market's potential for wealth creation is undeniable. However, Buffett advises against trying to time the market. Instead, focus on long-term investments in companies with competitive advantages and strong track records. Patience is a virtue in the world of Warren Buffett. He believes in long-term investing and has famously said that his favorite holding period is forever. The power of compounding interest amplifies over time. Consider this. If you invested $10,000 in an S&P 500 index fund in 1980 and left it untouched, you'd have over $290,000 today. It's a testament to the rewards of patience. The stock market indeed serves as a wealth-building tool, but only for those willing to wait. Buffett's Contrarian approach to investing is a hallmark of his success. While many follow the crowd, he seeks opportunities others might overlook. This strategy has led to lucrative investments in undervalued assets. To illustrate, during the 2008 financial crisis, Buffett invested $5 billion in Goldman Sachs when it was struggling. Within a few years, that investment had more than doubled. Being fearless when others are fearful can lead to substantial gains in your portfolio. In conclusion, Warren Buffett's journey to becoming one of the world's richest individuals offers valuable insights. His principles of investing in yourself, living below your means, embracing the stock market's potential, exercising patience, and practicing Contrarian investing are tried and true methods for building wealth. Remember, these strategies aren't shortcuts to get rich quick. They require discipline and a long-term perspective. By following in Buffett's footsteps, you can set yourself on the path to financial success. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. We hope these insights from Warren Buffett inspire you on your journey to financial prosperity. Stay patient, stay informed, and stay invested. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.